Hi, this is Glenda, and I wanted to show you a small order I placed with Nature's Garden and it arrived. So I just wanted to share with you the unboxing. First, I have some gold mica. It's the 24 karat gold mica. I never used it before, so it looks good though. Here I have some peppermint fragrance oil, and when I smell it, it did smell very close to what the essential oil smells like. First thing, I thought it smelled like candy cane, but on second sniff I could tell it didn't have as much sweetness and it had more of a herbal minty note. Hopefully it behaves well in soap. One of the troubles with peppermint soap that I've had in the past is that some brands do not stay in cold process soap. They tend to fade. So I'll test it and we'll see how it does. And here I have a small sample of Hansel and Gretel's house. Now I have used this fragrance before, but from a different supplier, from Lone Star Candle, and I liked it and it's very popular. This one though, when I first smelled it, all I could smell primarily was the vanilla note. This was the same day that it had arrived in my house though, so maybe it hasn't settled yet. And in any way, I will have to test it in soap and see how they compare as far as the fragrance goes and behavior. And then I have the Perfect Man, which is a very popular men's fragrance. It's what I choose mostly for men's soaps, unless I have something else I need to get rid of. Now here I have some Reed diffuser bases. This is pretty much the liquid that you use if you have a Reed diffuser. Supposedly this base, I don't know what it's made out of, but supposedly this one works better than DPG, or so it says on the description box, because it helps the fragrance travel up the roads. I also have some acacia gum powder. This is to make some mustache wax, and I actually already tried it, but my recipe must not be very good because, or the one is not mine. I tried a recipe and it didn't work that well. And here I just have some empty bottles and containers to do some body fragrance oil. So I have here an order from Nurture Soap, and I was gonna open it and show you what I got. It's a small order, tiny box. Okay, I only have one hand, so most of them are micas and colorants. This is yellow dye, yellow number 5, which I think this one, even though it looks orange, is going to turn actual yellow. This one is yellow number 6, and it looks like red, but it's going to turn to orange. This is red number 40, which is supposed to be like actual red, so I only got a small jar of that. And this is cashmere mica, which is like a darkish blue. And this is their neon powder. This is for soap. I bought it because it was 40% off. They're actually trying to get rid of all their neons because they're going to replace them with a new formulation, which it might already be available. So this is part of the old formulation, and I'm not looking to make neon soaps. I'm just trying to add a little bit of more punch to, say, a yellow or a pink. So I think adding a little bit of the neons will help. And here I have some FD&C blue dye. Now this one is for bath bombs, and I'm buying it because supposedly the dyes disperse better in water to avoid that ring around the bathtub. I also got some polysorbate 80 for the bath bombs, and this is a fragrance called Comfort and Joy. I like it. It's different. Like, you can smell cinnamon, and it looks like there is a little bit of a wood note to it. But it's like it's Christmassy, but not all over Christmassy. So I'm very curious to see how it will do in soap. It says that I can use it up to 4% no acceleration or discoloration, 0% vanillin. Alright, well that's it. Thank you for joining me. Bye.